Hey everybody, so in this video you are going to be watching me ventilate, which is to add strands of hair to lace on a braided closure wig that I'm in the process of making. So right now I am taking some kinky straight human hair and I'm adding it to a Swiss lace that I have. You will see a blue background because that helps me to visualize the holes better. You will also see a white chalk line. That's just where I'm going to have the hairline be. But I think I'm gonna actually move it up now that I'm looking at the video with you all. I have sped this video up double speed, so I move about half as slow as what you're watching. And what I will do is just record me adding hair to the lace, and then you'll also, sorry about that, you will also be able to see me do some braids in a different video clip that I'm going to upload tomorrow. And I hope that you enjoy, and please, if you have any questions, comments, don't hesitate to leave them below or send me a message and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. I hope you guys have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye.